चलिए सर, we discuss circulation and portal systems, blood, lymph. Now let's talk about excretion. What is the means of excretion? The process by which living organism remove waste products and excess substance from their bodies, called excretion. Clear or not? Clear. How other organisms excrete their waste product or excretion. Clear? Animals and their excretory organ. Animals like flatworms, rotifers, and some annelids excretory organ is protonephridia. This is not kidney or phlegm cells. Main excretory organ and flatworms. Flatworms also known as platyhelminthes. Clear? Earthworm, you know that very well. Earthworm and other annelids. And excretory organ is nephridia. Now let's talk about most of insects. Most of insects like cockroach and excretory organ of insects or cockroach, Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules. Clear? Organism like prawn have excretory organ green gland or antennal gland. It's all about excretion without involvement of kidney. Because of, in case of lower organisms like prawn, cockroach, earthworm, annelids, they don't have kidney. Example is gade, kutte, billi, and human. They all have kidney. In short, chordates, all chordates have kidney. In case of humans, which is kidney. Now let's talk about main excretory organ of human, of mammals, which is kidney. Let's talk about kidney. Clear? Now let's talk about kidney. NCERT का diagrams are, well, this is kidney. Now let's talk about kidney. First is location. Location of kidney is close to the dorsal inner wall of the abdominal cavity. Dorsal is the column, abdominal cavity. Exact location is, that means between last thoracic and third lumbar vertebrae. thoracic and lumbar vertebrae is a part of vertebral column. Clear जी? Kidney is a location of kidney. Clear? Length of kidney is 10 to 12 centimeter. Width of kidney is 5 to 7 centimeter. And thickness of kidney is 2 to 3 centimeter. In case of shape of kidney is beans. Color reddish brown. Color is reddish brown. Clear जी? And covering of kidney अगर हम बात करें covering of kidney and covering of kidney by renal capsule. Renal capsule. Clear जी? Origin of kidney mesodermal. That's all about basic information of kidney. Now let's talk about human excretory system. Human excretory system contain a pair of kidney, one pair of ureters, and one urinary bladder. Now let's talk about kidneys, ureters, and urinary bladder. General information of kidney like location, weight, shape, color, and covering. Nomenclature. Red color जो kidney में जा रहा है, that is renal artery. And renal artery contain oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. And blue color kidney में जा रहा है सर, that's known as renal vein. And renal vein contain deoxygenated blood. Renal vein contain deoxygenated blood. This portion called renal pelvis. Exit of kidney जैसे renal pelvis. और renal pelvis से क्या क्या निकल रहा है सर? First is renal vein, second is renal artery, and third is ureters. और ये सब किस में से निकल रहे हैं सर? renal pelvis में से. ये देखिए सर, ये कौन हो गई? renal vein. And red portion renal artery, and third is ureters. Clear जी? Now we discuss kidney, we discuss renal pelvis. Now let's talk about ureters. ठीक है सर, ureters. Now let's talk about ureters. Ureters is one pair. Yes. Urine passes. Urine pass कर रहा है सब यहाँ से. Urine passes pelvis into ureter. And opening into the urinary bladder. Ureters की opening कहाँ पे होगी सर? Opening into the urinary bladder. Now let's talk about urinary bladder. ये देखिए साहब, यहाँ से आपके ureters open हो गए कहाँ पे? urinary bladder में. Now let's talk about urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder contain transitional epithelium. transitional epithelium. And transitional epithelium have expand capacity region. Now let's talk about sphincter, inner and outer. Inner is involuntary and outer is voluntary. Clearly, sign and symptoms or desire for micturition. Sign and desire for micturition. कितने पे होती है सर? 220 ml. And normally micturition 300 to 400 ml. Now urinary bladder open into urethra. Now let's talk about urethra. This is urethra, opening of urinary bladder. In case of male, in case of female. In case of male, generally long. In case of female, say short. It's all about excretion system. One pair of kidney we discuss, yes. One pair of ureters we discuss, yes. One pair of urinary bladder we discuss, yes. In next lecture we discuss mechanism of kidney or filtration of blood or formation of micturition. चलिए सर, आई होप आपके समझ में आया.